While Omicron continues its assault across the state, there is reason to be encouraged.
Those words of hope coming from Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings on the subject of testing. WESH 2's Anika Hope is live outside of the testing site at Camping World Stadium. So, Anika, what does Camping World have to do with the mayor's message?
Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings called Camping World Stadium a pressure relief valve. Some more pressure relief comes from testing sites set up just for Orange County employees like first responders. Orange County Mayor said that is his big point today, was that this virus keeps hitting harder. Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings said he gets it. That do I or don't I have COVID anxiety? All the Orange County test sites, he says, are proof.
Some people say, well, why are you doing the testing? If you are one of those people who feel or believe that you've been exposed, until you know your status, you can't have any internal peace.
Wednesday's Orange County COVID update wasn't a message of peace, however, more of a call to keep fighting.
The deaths will continue to increase, as will the hospitalizations, just because of the increase of the sheer numbers of people who are getting infected.
Here are those numbers. The Florida Hospital Association reported over 11,000 people in Florida are hospitalized right now with COVID. Over 200 of them are children or teens. When it comes to hospitals in Orange County, Nemours Children's Hospital reported their highest number of COVID patients since the pandemic began. The mayor said Orlando Health and Advent Health also saw increases in COVID patients.
If we were not doing the testing, I just think that we would be at a crisis level.
Demings said 4 out of 10 people in Orange County are testing positive right now. With so much demand for tests, Demings said they requested test kits from the state of Florida.
Through our emergency management division, we requested a total of 500,000 at-home test kits that will cover the entire county with some of our community partners, including the schools and others. And it does not appear that we will receive it from the state at this point.
Now, the mayor did not say why they may not get them. He said the whole situation with the state belongs in the question mark category. He did say they will remain optimistic. In Orlando, Anika Hope, WESH 2 News.